Yes, family, it's a beautiful Sunday, and today we bike for the exercise, bike into the farm, we bike to the beach, and we bike to the farm. You see, we bike into the farm, people. So that's how the life setting in Jamaica. But more for exercise so I can. I'll go to the mountain soon. I hear so the world about to change and some things are happening with China and things, so I'll go put down some tree. You know, I'm going to say something to you now. I probably don't want to hear it, you know. But here what I say. I'm not going to say it right now. I'm not going to say it in the public, you know. So Jamaica Good Life.com. I'm going to have some VIP members on the video. I'm going to do the show them on thing. Certain things I'm not going to discuss public, you know. So for the people that are interested in the channel, we know so we are promote Jamaica positively. And we love government, we love people, we love everybody. Everybody will have them turn, you know. But might be a build up, you know. I'm going to stop for a second. Look at that. See it there? I try to tell you, you know. And I talk. Let me say to you now. Let me see if I can tell you again. Let me see if I can whisper it in the ears again. Look on the building now, them just a build up. I don't know what it is, you know. Maybe right now I go through some serious construction and thing. It's around there. You no must sell some on the 401k now. Wait till 67 for retire. Come Jamaica and do business. Figure it out. Now they're Babylon. When you come home, buy property and hey. I can't cuss no bad word, but I try for. You know when God send a prophet and I tell the people them, I warn them. Look here. You see in 2 years, nobody even come near Moby, you know. Moby is in New Miami. So if you don't want a business, invest in our house, grab in an iron shore or whatever, buy it now. Because you can Airbnb it and come home and not worry about nobody will rob you. And nobody will thief you. Buy a property now near the beach. No! As soon as you can, take the money out of the bank and go do your thing, people. Them no want the poor people them come and I have some little secret for telling about the VIP member them, so I have some little land contacts more time, but you know, I tell you, you know, watch yourself, you know. Don't be no back upon yourself. We talk. Yes, people, reach out the farm. Yeah, what going? What going, Nadine? You good? Alright, protect the gates. Breadfruit just a coming. Yeah. Some mango up on the tree. This is nearly called around there. Look at breadfruit tree here. And I took the one here. I catch one out of a tree. Breadfruit them hard for catching. But as the world has changed right now, that's why the VIP them link up. Because they can get suckers for plants in the yard. The world are going to get tough and rough. Breadfruit on the savior right now. From the breadfruit, and I'm going to have food when I come to Jamaica. Now for plants and apple tree. So them pear tree, I remember we take some pear. Pear them just a come back, see it? So, if we put in the work, the children they will reap the benefits. So, at the charging, at the journey, you know. And the liberty suckers under the tree. One coconut for me. And the change and balance constantly. So make him come for some planting too. So planting ready. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, yes. Good to see you again, my friend. Good to see you again.
Me there, my boy.
How you feel?
I'm feeling good, you know, brother, by the God grace of mercy, you know, sir. Yes, man, me good, man. And me and him talk, and me and him deal, and me and him do farm. So you know how it go. He might make me alright.
Alright, sir. As long as you're good.
Yes, man.
We're walking at the place, you know?
Yeah, me understand. Because for one day, me say me nah hear nothing, me nah see you. So me a try get to you, but me never try that yet.
Okay.
That was you say something running in my mind.
Get
some fire. Me just reach out to you, know.
Yeah, yeah. People up on the groundation with the greatest man. And I'm telling you, nice ladies, man not the greatest man phone, so I don't really know if he use the phone well. But you know, when I come to Jamaica, depends on who it is. Because sometimes I'm an infiltrator. I mean, I don't want no now or later. I don't want no infiltrators. But we clean out and clean thing. This is back on the farm. So so we have a neutral season. Eh? Everything just a come in now.
No really come in and now me like the farm to plant.
Okay.
Plant, you know. Go cross over and I go there look up the top there and see what I go on.
Enough planting here though.
What if I plant in here, man?
Look at see what I go on.
Nah, joke, you know, brother, man. Plant it,
So what go on in the world? Eh? How much cow? We're gonna come off in the cow, them still about them. If you don't buy land in Jamaica, please don't put in a house until you fence it with good fencing. Jamaica, protect yourself. This is Jamaica Good Life. A bicycle, hold up on the mango, them come in. Jaja, I know I'm pre-diabetic, I'm not supposed to eat too much mango now. But you said, them your mango, yeah? You just suck out this one. The mango, them come in. Yeah. Welcome back home, people. This is where I roam. I tell you to welcome home. Welcome back to Jamaica. Look on them dirty big mango deer. If you're there in a foreign, acting like you don't care. So let me hold up the camera. Open up your eyes and stare. Whoa, Mr. Jamaica. Them have to visit Jamaica this year. When they watch a YouTube channel, them every... Alright, now, I'm going to put your phone at the banana tree so I can hear you, but I'm going to cut the banana till it drop. Don't make a... Watch you now, a knife, I'm going to knife him. You see it? You see it? Alright, watch the knife. I go to the gut. I have to go say a prayer. In the name of the trees, banana trees. Whoa, the knife broke. Me have to go get a karate chop. Yeah. More want to bring a bad Rambo knife for me. Cause that one, me hear say China, I stop ship to America. What go on? Okay. Alright, let me get the banana here. Let's see. May I cut him? Take cut, boy. You never bring the machete. Alright. Take stab under your banana tree. So me cut him 2 times and push him over. See it there? Easy. And that look like it's a go ripe too, you know. Hold on there. Hold on. Hold on there. Hold on there. Alright, let me bring it and show you. Look at what God has delivered to you today. Eh? Look there. Now, here what? If I clean up my system, I blend one of them with the skin and drink it raw with honey and ginger.
That's good. That's good. And if you want to put a little turmeric in it too.
Yes. Yeah. So, I like the one you kind of fit.
Yeah.
And it's so it's a go right, but it's nice for porridge, right? A nice porridge banana. Well, here what? We don't have some nice friends here, you know. You don't have Captain Jack. So don't stay away too long, you know. Because now no can't come stay with me. We don't have nothing to worry about. Everything seasonal and curry. Yeah, just take care of yourself and just buy on a ticket. Don't be... Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm going to introduce you to Captain Jack right now. Wait.
Alright. Something is in the camera half of the way.
Hold on a second. No, we're good, Captain. It in here. Captain, may I introduce you to some good people.
Melbourne, come, see Captain.
Them say them a come look for you. And them a come cook for you.
Sure, right.
Them a come look for you.
Man.
All the way I go hang out at the house and cook for you. Say hello to Melbourne.
Hello, hello. I'm there.
I'm there.
Yeah. I'm there, yeah, I'm good.
I'm there.
A Jamaican patois, there.
Yeah, man.
I'm there, man. There.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Yeah, man.
So that's Melbourne.
Yes, sir. They're at the farm.
You treat my son good, you know.
Yes.
Take care of him for me.
Yeah, man. I'm a good friend.
Alright, you take care of my son.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
All right, sir.
You know they know me from your baby. They know me from your baby, you know.
Yeah, man.
And and when them are 65, me know so they know me.
I'm telling you.
And look how God work.
I say,
I know I'm here to take care of them.
I say, man.
Remember say I didn't give me was a cheese sticks when me a baby. 1 cheese sticks. And look at the payment now.
Well, this one is better than nothing. There's many more before one.
I want cheese sticks and give me. And now me, I bring them to Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
All expense paid.
Yes, man.
Me love you now.
Alright, baby.
Yeah.
Alright?
Take it easy. Have a good one.
Buy the ticket quick. Melbourne, buy the ticket quick. Don't play around. Me say live shot, so keep on your shots.
Amen.
You need to be in the sun.
Okay.
Alright, so bye to Captain.
Yeah.
Bye-bye, Captain.
Take care.
Peace and love.
Peace and love.
Yeah, man.
Yeah man, I'm a family.
Foreign end.
Them the palm beer.
Okay.
And enough old people there around me, you know.
Hey, me love the old people, you know. You know, say something. Me don't know. You when me a little youth, you know, that's what me used to do. Me used to help them, you know. Like when they not carry them pan and them a go somewhere and they have anything, me just take it and move, carry which part them want it. That's the way me used to move with old people. Me like the nature. And them bring we here, you know, man, and them make we there.
Yes, yes.
So we have to help them.
Yes, yes.
And them make we there.
So now we make them a close old friend them.
You understand?
So just buy your ticket and come stay with me.
Look here, man.
You can't sleep on my bed, I'll take the floor.
And them make we there, so we have
Yes.
to take care of them when they
Yes.
can't take care of themselves.
Hello.
That's why I say me they ask the question, where is the love? We love there.
Okay.
He gone?
Okay.
Where they?
Jamaica
Well,
Good
love.
Life still have it.
Eh?
Jamaica Good Life still have it.
Me not see it, brother. Me not see where it is.
We sharing it, don't you? So
No, I don't
me
know
and you
where
are
I
sharing.
gone. Me don't know where the love gone. I don't know.
The people them now go on good.
Me don't know where the love gone, brother. Ah,
The weather is changing.
would I go a seaside tomorrow? Wonder if the weather they broke up. I want to go see and no time to see time. No long we not go see. Yeah, if then drive no more make you catch up my seaside for me, but ride the ride.
You mean like food?
No man, me I want higgle and me a 2 pieces of pipe in there so
Okay.
if you push up the boat and pink pan.
Yes.
2 pieces of short pipe.
Yes, yes.
Oh God.
Well, we're there, man. We're there.
Yes man.
Let me see if my uncle there. Want him to say hello.
Want go back to Tata now.
No jelly, no there.
Oh, what do you know? Jelly in the pantry.
Oh,
what
what is stick there? Oh, where the Ricky Ping
Yeah,
Ping.
man, you can go pull off jelly.
All right.
Pull off some if you get it. If you can't pull it off.
You like the fire? May I have to bring some coffee down here, you
The
know.
first thing we do when we come
I have to bring some coffee for you.
First thing we do, catch me fire.
May I have some old coffee?
Yeah, man. First thing we do, catch me fire, man.
No, I'm going to introduce you to my other brethren here, so. It's a Terry.
First thing we do.
No, I want to introduce you to my brethren. I could see.
Always catch the fire.
Your brother.
Hey, what's going on, man?
Want you to say hello to Captain Jack?
Yes, sir. Respect, sir.
Yes, morning, Captain.
Yes, sir. We all are one. We all are one, sir.
Yes, man. How things?
Well, it's rough, but we still make it good. Have to
Alright.
try fight it. Go through the roughness.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So we're there,
On
film.
the farm.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
On the farm.
Yeah, I get some coconut now. And I gotta bring some coffee with the whole coffee cup. Me need a metal coffee cup. Me I sit down and
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
yeah.
Love the farm,
We're
man.
there at the farm and live it, brother.
Love it, man.
With
Nice, man.
all
Yeah, man. Love
banana and
it.
thing.
Love it.
You see? Coconut.
It's fun, man.
Yes, man. Are the best place in the world. Mobile.
Nice.
So
Yeah.
these are the greatest man team that.
Yeah, man.
So me say China stop ship to America wagon.
Well, politics as usual, man.
What am I say? What am I do?
I don't know the full story yet, you know, but China is going to embargo US because China is moving away from the dollar.
So the system about to crash then.
Something like that.
Ah,
And we came pum pum pum.
oh, God.
It a come.
Right.
Cause now that's how them are use the card against Taiwan. Because
Right. So you know how shipping works, right?
yeah.
The US don't really build much of the product but them selling at the stores, so China control the production and the distribution.
Jaja them tie the goat by the neck.
Yes.
And a little wire then tie the goat with.
Sure.
And a big rope.
So when them start restricting shipping essential components like electronics and stuff like that, then you gotta shut down the system.
So everything electronics were cheap now. Shoes are blender. People have to buy up. So price are gonna go skyrocket in 2-3 weeks.
Yeah, man, that's the plan, you know, because remember Walmart and CVS and Walgreens and Target and them, Amazon is lowering price on certain stuff because people are buying them as much as they used to.
Yeah. This is gonna be bloody, you know.
Alright, so you know there's gonna be an outright ban on DJI products in the US, right?
DJI,
Yes.
the video camera them.
Yes.
Really? And the drone them.
Yes.
So you can't buy them, but if you have them, you have them.
Yeah, so there's gonna be an outright ban on that.
And them will buy ban TikTok too.
TikTok. Lot of Chinese product I go.
So now them a lose relation because them here say them dump the treasury too. Everybody is afraid. But what are you afraid of if you're walking with God? Everybody say they have faith, but a Satan they're afraid of. How can you afraid of Satan when you're walking with God? Sing it, church. How can you afraid of Satan when you're walking with God? A whole spirit I wake up in me. June 2nd. Sing it, church. Somebody in the church write down that song here for me. And say, Randy, inspire me, you know. I have a whole spirit from my granny, Cicely Bennett. So hear the song we're going to make now. How can you afraid of Satan when you're walking with God? How can you afraid of Satan when Satan is not bad? Satan no bad. Satan no bad. I don't make up Satan in our head. The concept of Satan is when you not turn bad and you walk away from God. That is when the devil works, you know. And you have to activate the devil, you know. And you have to think about the devil, you know. But for me, there's only God. So when I say I'm coming to Jamaica, you know, we put our life in the hands of the Almighty. We never say Almighty. How can you afraid of Satan when you're walking with God? How can you afraid of Satan when you're talking to God? You see that song there now? Them I go keep it, you know. But you don't keep it, you know. Because I'm so blessed. God bless me with the word. Come sit down every day. Listen to the bees and the birds. See them I sing for me there. You heard? What you saying, sir? How can you afraid of Satan when you're walking with... Sing it now! Big up to Sharon, Shaza, Janet X, all my friends them. You see that banana there for this, so. What you over there so by yourself, Ado? Hey, lizard. Who tells you I can't climb my finger? I say, how can you walk with Satan when you're talking to God? La, da, 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 da. You know, every time I come out of the bush, I have to make up a song. Because if you don't say, you know is with God, God must inspire you. Boy, and coconut they look good. But me know, I ride the bicycle today. Because I want the exercise, I'm 51 now. And I want to be 107. One of the mango tree. One of the reasons why I gave up Babylon. See the greatest man there? I'm going to tell you, man, them, you know. See him there? They never. Captain Jack, so how the woman them not call you?
You know what I say? Them not call me, but the phone ain't give problem. The phone ain't give me some problem.
The red phone?
No, not the red phone. The other one, because we never get it up and now yet.
Oh.
That through the up and running and the business.
So here one man, me I go tap it up for you. Me I forget the number.
You mean that the internet?
You know the red phones.
Oh, you have to get the number.
And then me tap it up. That's why me did send them the number, said them could have tap it up.
Okay.
So once them tap it up, them can call you, so you just sometimes have to bring the red phone with you too.
Me have it with me, man.
But
You take some picture.
Eh? What name of the mango tree there? What a
Our part are East Indian, you know.
the East Indian.
Yeah, sure, but it big like East Indian and it's well sweet.
So me see you clean up, man.
I plant up, you know, brother, to catch the season for next year. But the cow them know what happen now, me have a problem now. Cause them potato, large potato them, then call a bunch of key, them bear very well. And if they come, cow they run yam them down and that no one the problem. The whole I have to me a clean up with the potato and sweet potato. And cassava, sweet cassava.
Sweet cassava.
Yeah, so the whole I have to go back to the corner, go right back down. They put in sweet potato and cassava. Because cassava one I make is sweet and bitter.
Yeah, man, them dumping treasury, them a dump dollars.
So-
Them a buy gold up like crazy.
So then the revolution ready for happen then. The the disturbance in the states are gonna happen then.
No, man, it's gonna be a civil war.
The movie that come out, that's why I tell everybody to run Jamaica for sell them thing and come Jamaica quick.
Yeah, man, the civil war is gonna happen, you know, but like I said, China is dumping dollars on treasury, Russia doing the same, all of them doing the same, all the BRICS countries doing the same.
Jaja.
So them are gonna back them currency by gold, which is where South Africa comes in,
So okay.
and Zimbabwe.
Okay.
You know, China have the world's largest reserves of gold now.
The strategy is right. There was something said about 2025 is gonna be a tough one.
Yep.
5 is an odd number.
Remember, food production is the key to life, right? Whoever produce food. But China just told you they're not buying any more grains from them.
So what you're saying, this Jamaica Good Life movement was prophecy correct?
Of course, man. So what people don't understand though.
Well, me did the best for me could.
Yeah, man.
And that's right, Captain. Me did the best me could. Me show them.
Yeah, man. That's what I have to do. You know. You see the whole thing now is China is diversifying food imports from Africa all over the other parts of the world and leaving the US out there.
Wow.
So
Nothing.
don't be amazed when China start buying up farms here on the island.
Oh, buying up farm in Jamaica.
Yeah.
But China go start buy up land and farm.
Don't be amazed when that happens.
Jaja. So they might try to get grandmother land now.
Like I said, don't be amazed when that happens, you know?
Oh, Jaja. But I tell the Jamaican people them to take their grandmother land, cut it up and give to the family. Survey it. Right, Captain?
Yeah.
And give to the family them because they can't bring it a grave with them.
Nope.
Alright, I'm going to start do the show again, Terry. You hear?
Yeah, man.
No say nothing. Do your thing.
Yeah, man. Just relax to this.
Alright.
You know?
Give thanks.
Yeah, man. Alright.
Captain, you hear that?
Oh boy, nothing impossible. Don't go. My boss.
Them a bus. One of them a leak out.
Yeah, man, them are easy.
Jaja.
Master God, I want to tell them. You know what the my spirit is that good spirit.
Yeah, man, you did predict it.
That spirit, let it go here, there, and I do want to do it. You get see clear, you don't know what me I do, but me I do, I'm getting things down here I do. I mean, there was something behind it.
Your spirit, I tell you. Something behind it. The war on crime is coming. Hey! I'm nice, man. Something behind it, brother. If them no.
I might sound like a wise man. Sometimes you know talk what we just do me things.
Remember say when them say the meek will inherit the hurt.
Ah, why you will only there the leak out. It's a leak out. I don't know but me farm, me love the nature. Me's a water spirit person. Me love the farm, love the nature. We get the vision about this place and before me get it. So my grandfather was a plant, he's like my grandfather, my dream see same a plant and let find can manage it. And somebody in the family will come manage it. And the same place as my dream say, it's the same place I'm there right now. So it's like I'm dream this.
Once you put it down for the kids them, there's nothing more you can do.
I the dream this.
You did it. And look how me.
It's the total dream.
Then me I come enjoy it and me I go do what you do too for the kids them.
And I the dream this. So the dream is coming true.
So give
and
thanks for this time.
Say, go and make me a profit.
Give thanks for this time in life.
Yeah, man.
So we can, as the world turns and we did our best.
The dream show me say go and make me something. You don't know where they come from, you know, Randy.
Yeah.
Me I tell you, me I don't know where they come behind. But we just do it.
You believe. You have more than faith. You appreciate.
I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing.
People, this is Jamaica Good Life. Me say the fire smell good, you see. The fire smell good.
I good jelly, you know. But them about so come.
Because them nice and young.
Good jelly, them. Yes, Father God. Now me a plant out, what a plant out. Time I come up there now, tomorrow I go to seaside. If the weather ease up.
Look on the fire, man.
Anytime you come out, the first thing I'm going to catch fire.
Family, it is a beauty, it is my duty to tell all the people come home. It is a beauty, it is my duty.
A couple people over there, well, you know.
Tell all the people come home.
You know, I know.
Babylon is not your kingdom. Babylon is not your throne. Them no what's up?
No, them the two, they know this bus too.
It is a duty, my duty. Tell all the people come home. Babylon is not your kingdom. Babylon is not your throne. You see the song there when I give them inspired by the Almighty, you know. When me say, how can you afraid of Satan when you're talking to God? A family member passed recently, you know. And you know when them say one dead, there's another coming at then dead in a tree, right? So two dead already. So everybody are humble themselves in the family now. Cause one more next going drop out. Has to be three. So a two video me upload with two funeral today, you know. Today. Me did get one of the video from last year, but when you hear the dancing, when you hear the music from Manchester, you going to recognize some of it. Me going to play some for you. Me say, Captain, me going back home to go check them. Me then put on a piece of drum in it, see.
No, then they're my musician thing, you know. I support them then, how I used to do, you know.
Me know.
I used to play Kumina, Jankuno, all of those. So I used to do 9 night, dead yard, me's a dead yard man.
Okay.
So So me know all of those things.
Okay. Then no the.
So let me tell you, them me used to go through and put them. Every day they had me go do
Listen,
night.
listen to them, yes, sir.
He's a night man.
Me's a 9 man too.
So you don't understand. He's a night man.
So if me dead before you, may I put your name down for play for me? Put in on my will. If I dead before Captain Jack, make him bury me.
Hey, me make you 3 bamboo giant and take it for your base. Your base back can't come against me. In a Jankuno vibes with guitar. 2, 3 bamboo giant and make a base. You can't base. Me there son the jerk down the whole of them mess up. In a base.
You're dangerous. Is that
3 bamboo giant. And take you make a bass, like a bass drum, like a
what?
guitar.
Yeah, that one here. Warrior A. You know that song, yeah?
Warrior O. Yeah, man. You know them the song, man. You see the bass guitar, use 3 bamboo giant. And your bass guitar, last that with the bamboo
So
giant.
me need to get for you make some instrument for me. Me get you the money, what me get you?
That's one of the things that make instrument.
Like,
You go and go skin and where what
Okay.
you do and me a do.
You know
And
if-
bamboo use make all of my thing them.
you know if you get the goat skin?
Yeah, man, you buy the goat skin. But at the sheep goat skin have to buy.
So where you buy it?
You buy it at the slaughterhouse, then kill animal. Get the
And there's
sheep
one
goat
near in
skin.
a Mobile?
Yes, but you know, functionally that bright enough, no one again. One same place as seaside, we no go cross the street.
Okay.
And slaughterhouse, yeah.
Alright.
Now you even near my, you can't build a whole heap of things, man.
When me a little, you know, peer this, because we have the mission house in the family, you know.
No, that is music. We play natural. And when we play natural, you would like hear it. When we play the fife tonight, you would like hear it. When we play the bamboo giant tonight, you would like hear it.
You don't have no video of you playing.
Them have video but me not none by myself. Whole heap of video out but me not have none by myself. There's a man named Dave Allen in England. I'm going to him, you could have find that video.
With your video.
God, me used to go
So
to-
you
used to
know
go-
him?
Yeah, man, me know. Me
So you can introduce me to him?
used to build jump field.
You can introduce me to him?
Yeah, man, he's a Jankuno man.
Come on, me I surround everybody with more if me dead before them.
Sure, right?
Cause me want to go in and God. About 5 bands I got there, they take turn. It's gonna be a celebration, 107.
Yeah, alright, one good one can bring over there. You have the bitter one, make balmy, and the sweet one you eat it. You can make cake, anything you name it.
Okay.
So I try put in as much. Sketch next year.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So right now the war where they go on now, I'm there here for the world news and it don't look nice.
The world news don't look nice at all.
It don't look nice. So you know you go when you in the food stuff.
That's why I tell everybody, me plant, me breadfruit tree catch, me orange and me vitamin C them I catch, me tangerine I catch.
Anything come from me, honey, happy catch.
Hey, me I go bring you over the house and show you.
Tell them, man, anything come from my hand, happy catch.
Happy catch.
Yeah, tell me, I tell you that. Me not see farm goat with that.
Hey, hey.
That's the nature.
Yes. So me have a song for you this morning.
Man,
The song says, how can you afraid of Satan when you're talking to God?
you can't say that the same thing. You just have to tell us that me and God do and stuff. Me no want no company, me no want no friend.
Yeah.
And me and him have my friend and me and him chat.
Yes.
Yes. Him see me no care company, me no love company.
True.
Me and the Almighty.
Hey.
And me's not a church man, but me and the Almighty.
Hey. So some people when they say they're afraid to come Jamaica, then how come I made it?
No wrong with Jamaica, friend. I'm just some of the people. And everywhere you go, it did it.
Mm-hmm.
So you can't get away from that. You can't hide the fact. You can't where you go, it did it. And just the people, not no wrong.
Yeah.
Just the people who are the monks.
Yeah.
You can't get away from that. No care what you do.
Can't get away from,
You can't get away from that.
you have to just stay one away.
And understand how to move around the people.
Yes.
Like you know, say fire did this one place, you have to
True. You know, sister, sometimes I not drive the car, I ride the bicycle. Come on, build up my heart. Because when the war come, you have to build up your muscles too. Because you don't know when the war come at your front gate. You know, me here say look like China ready for stop ship to America. Me here say China so wait there. If they so here now. But here the thing now. If China stop ship to America now.
Me see it long time, that's why I'm doing this.
But okay, but guess what? Them still a go ship. But here what me say to you? But guess what me I say? Them still a go ship to Jamaica.
You understand?
So now them still a go ship to the Caribbean. So then America go say, where them ship here go?
Alright, I'll stop them.
What is about to happen in the world? 5 years ago me I do them video and I tell the people to say, come home, buy a piece of land. Around there talk about, you have too much food, you too fat. And come home, buy a piece of land. Please people, me tell them the weather change. No worry about COVID. No worry about crime in Jamaica. Worry about the weather in Texas. The weather in Vancouver. The weather in you know see what happened with this time? The plane them a shake down out of the sky, you know?
Alright.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay. You see, in order for me to get here, brother,
Alright.
when the plane jump, a 200 plane sit down on the runway. And fuel driver say, you know what? Them clear way. I must see the spirit way in the plane at Jamaica we are going now. So fuel part was clear. So right there some say, some spirit is working here. Cause if 200 sit down on the runway and we in the plane and the part clear for we.
I don't cut you. Jamaica is a blessed place, you know, brother. In most church, we are blessed people, the most of we done good.
Right.
But you see, so it's a blessed country.
Yes.
Out of the whole world, yeah, the blessed country.
We call it Garden of Eden, but me don't want to tell them too loud. But when I say to you about the plane now, the man say our path is clear. You see when they take off, my brother, I see the storm, you know. And when I look through the window, he make a jump. You ever see a frog jump? You ever see a frog jump?
Yeah, man.
The plane goes so, wookum, and it jump out of the storm. And the big man them start cry. Wee! And me hang on to the seat, you know. And me say, Jaja, give me some change and balance so the wind can change and the balance can happen because God is change and balance.
But listen, if the storm is high and God in the middle, must be a calm, brother.
Okay. Jump that. Jump that. And you see when it was over and people who come from Jankuno people.
No, that is an African tradition, like the black race.
And you hear the drum, that drummer here bad enough.
It's an African black race tradition, brother. You know, you say that it comes from first.
No, sir.
Good.
A Manchester.
Yeah, man. I
Me say it uplift my spirit is because when I little with my grandmother, I pear this a play. Me need 1 or 2 dry coconut. I have to make some, I blend it with my seaman. Me don't use the fridge no more, you know. Me turn off the fridge. Me I learn to live mountain life. You know, no fridge in a mountain. So me turn off the fridge. Let me help you out, man. Let me get your key. All about life and music right now, because the way the world are turning. Let me get it for you, man. Let me get it. Let me get it for you. Hold the camera for me. It's hot. Let me get it for you.
Go back up to your box. This is the one at top.
Yeah.
Above the one up there, sir.
It's nice. That
Yeah,
one.
it look more better.
Hold this. It's hot, just so. Hold that, just so. Them clap. Let me tell you something. Me look on the pilot and I come out. And he look upon me. And then we lock eyes. And he like him I said to me, you is blessed. You're lucky. Because you reach Jamaica. Because you reach. Because when the storm season come now, you know, and the war them start up, so you know.
Brother, thank God in the blessing, brother. Everything is all good.
Okay.
But God knowing people, you know.
Hey.
No feel say God no knowing people.
Hey.
God knowing people.
Captain, I said to you, this year escape for come back. I'm tell him, I'm a prophesy, I'm tell him, I'm come back to Jamaica, buy no land, get on a dog, them fence on a place. Take on the time, tie on the shoes, lace. And don't rush, don't haste. What you have plant?
Pepper. Hot pepper. That is red. Hot one.
Give me 2 suckers to bring home.
I don't know if you go catch like how it's still now. If I don't know, my son on the road. But
Okay.
if you time wait now, you catch creek.
Yeah.
No, my son on the
Because my
road.
pepper tree are going with something.
But if you find one, I pepper itself and there make you go catch this.
Alright, cool.
If we can't find one.
Jaja.
See it? Now my son on the road say go hard to catch. Plant it right now in the wet now, we catch creek.
Yes. That is beautiful. See the people, the master teacher.
Yeah.
I'm glad you're healthy. How is your strength?
Me ever always, brother.
You're still at 60?
Not to know the truth, brother.
You don't get younger, you're still at 60?
No get younger.
You have some blessed people, they grow backwards, you know. Sometimes I go 52 and then next year they may drop down to 49.
Yes, sir.
A pumpkin that.
Mm-hmm.
Jaja, look at man, this is the good life.
I know this pumpkin mix plant with glitter paper. You see, you know, plant it with the glitter paper. You spread the glitter paper long into the bottom, put the seed them in there and fold it, and then cover it. You get all different type of pumpkin. This is one type of pumpkin, and you can get 10 different pumpkin out of it.
Just with the glitter paper?
Yes.
You wrap it in the glitter paper?
Yes, cover it. And I plant some in the corner natural. So if you pick a pumpkin like this now, natural pumpkin, is a certain variety, like say now we call it one breed of pumpkin. And you plant it and wrap it in the glitter paper, you can get 10, 20 different pumpkin from the one pumpkin.
Mm-hmm.
And you have the same pumpkin.
Mm-hmm.
You get the drift?
Get the drift.
Yeah. So when it come now, you're gonna see white, you're gonna see blue, you're gonna see black, all different type of pumpkin. You wonder how it come, the glitter paper change that.
Mm-hmm.
You get what I'm going now?
Got it.
Yes. And it's best to plant it when you are going away. When you're in the ground and plant it, you run up and down too far before you start there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. No, can't give you none of them. I'm going to look for one.
No man, no stress yourself.
Because no mice should have on the roof to hold it. And we are not the corner them it's there.
Yeah.
So I planted
How are that? That look like banana or planting.
planting man.
That-
Something they made it planting. They grow like banana, but they powerful, man.
Made in.
Yes, they call it maiden. It grow like banana, it go powerful and have woolly pan and big. Coming like banana, but it's maiden.
You not plant enough of them.
Yeah, man, me a couple of them. Yeah,
Yeah, man, this is the life.
and this a life me love, me
You
brother.
still want the wife, right?
Well,
You not rush it.
you know, rush it so far. Cause you're up now. Woman love tender, you know, need your attraction, need you all the time. But
Attention.
You have to go do what you have to do. And that is my problem with most of my women, them because me
But
no
some of them out there will come with you,
you
you
know,
know.
sit down and hide.
Some of them out there will come
You
with you.
understand?
When they come Jamaica, they come look for you.
That's how you go.
The phone call thing, they must forward.
That's how you go.
Look the people pepper tree. And where you plant here, so?
That is orange.
Orange tree.
Yes, mandarin.
Mandarin.
Something. You have some of them see. Alright, me sure.
Don't make, me,
Because
di-
I'm in the show the other
don't make
day.
me distract you too much, you know.
No man, me good man. Yeah, me one man, you know, sir. I know
Okay.
somebody me I work for.
Alright.
Look here. See these are orange. I'm in the show the other day, the little something then.
Yeah.
See them here. They soon start to be orange.
Them
See
did
the
little
orange?
the other day?
The other day, me I show you the little one them. See them here. See them over there, so they see.
That
Look.
don't make no sense, Captain. How they grow so fast? You put where you put at the root?
I don't put nothing. You see the nature with me? If me take up this and drop it ground, it go. No, look, see them there. See orange and tangerine mix up. The whole place plant with them. See them there. See them tall?
Mm-hmm.
See one behind her there.
You look like you're going to take a touch off of the girlfriend then.
See, look here now. See one behind her there.
Make she grow.
See one behind her there.
Which part?
See there.
That one there.
Yeah.
So when we did down here, so it did half hour. Look.
Look way down.
How you say to
And
me?
look, see there.
That no make no sense.
Good. So I'm just show you what go on.
That no make no sense, brother.
So, the
That no
come
make.
up soon have
So wait, they
orange.
added dirt.
You see, if the rain when they fall for a good while, I just say, you plant, you couldn't come through planting here, someone. The place creek, well creek.
Quick.
Yes, creek. But through the rain now and the drought, it hold it down. But you see, once you get the rain, everything just drip. So you're so stay.
Cause you know rain been coming, you know.
All these are big orange, these are big orange, man. You see, look, the next
then you
couple
can-
months, the next couple months, see it here.
I mean, fear, I'm going to come to you some of your dirt, cause fear one them look like say, they go bigger than for me to rat. Cha-cha. Hey, you know, say my family them plant orange for 2 years. And it's still not past me knee.
No, man.
Then there's a guy, you know,
Something wrong,
him
man.
name Jason,
Something wrong,
with
man.
the people them there.
Something wrong.
Jason now, plant the same orange where the other guy planted. You know where the orange reach? My shoulder. And the beer already.
You don't know why.
Why?
That's what I'm telling you. Nature go with things what you plant. You see the things go after your body, your nature, your happiness, your fulfillment, your joyness. You go after your potential,
Your energy.
your energy. You see if you don't good, your mind not good. You see if you's a filthy person now and way, your things where you plant now reach nowhere.
Mm-hmm.
You have to go with your mind, your clearness, you have to free.
Mm-hmm.
Then the thing's free.
Yes.
That's the thing with nature and planting.
Mm-hmm.
If you're not free, the thing's not free, just like you.
Mm-hmm.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If you're not free, the thing's not free.
So now you cut that for door.
Watch how you learn.
Oh, yes.
When this grow to hand, tight light is if you lead, follow the stick. That means you don't spread and go where it want to go. You have to put it where you want it to go. You see that?
And you can use it for shoes lace too.
No, man. I just
Oi.
for the yam. Make him go the right.
We're going to make a bikini for the ladies.
Go right.
Ladies nowadays don't love the banana trash bikini. Hey, them say easy for get, easy for come off. Me not have go no more shop no more. Hear this? Look how much banana tree. Me will make your panty them for now. Whoa!
Alright, you see this now? You know what it is?
What is? That nutmeg, no say it.
No, gooseberry.
Whoa!
One guy sent me some gooseberry at seaside. See them, yeah? Me say me have to get here, you know. And me plant the seed. See one next tree down there, so one out there, so. A three of them we catch. And see, soon start there.
You're double
Some
blessed.
big gooseberry.
You're
like
triple
this.
blessed.
Yeah, tell her.
You're triple blessed.
Start there.
You're triple
Alright.
blessed.
All this place now me have to weed up, but me can't weed it yet.
Why? Because what?
Because me do the planting. When me plant and done plant, me can't take me time go through and weed. But
Oh, you plant back the cane them?
The plant is more important.
You plant the cane them?
No, sure, no. You see how them are stay now?
No cane that?
Yeah, me plant some cane. Because the cane them are dead out, so me have to get back some breed of cane. These now are dashing. See? Dashing. Because them, all last time when dashing to are dead in dead out, so me replant back.
Yes, I.
Everything me I replant back.
Yes, I.
That way looking on over there, so now is a big mandarin, tangerine, but are the big one.
Jaja.
See them?
The woman better
and the
come.
other day I lick or something them when
The
you come
woman
and
better
see
come quick and take her place before another woman come.
Alright, that is a nutmeg
Nutmeg,
tree.
yes.
You see the push?
Mhm.
See next one over there, so.
Yes.
My can over there, so.
Jaja.
You see the push?
Mhm.
That is coffee. You know coffee where you
Of
drink?
course me know coffee.
Alright, see the coffee and there. So,
Yes, yes,
so
yes.
me, if you show you, me not joke.
And that's why when me tell you about the construction work, you say, me have a thing for do.
Yeah, man.
Me see it.
Yeah, man, me have something to do,
Me
man.
see it, my brother.
Me have something.
This is wonderful. You're in the planting season.
Yes, man, so, you understand?
I
See?
understand. I get it.
Yeah, yeah.
This is beautiful. And you know, so me have some work over at my place to do too.
Yes,
Me just come in, so me say, what about me ride my bicycle with you know?
Then you know Bushman?
My bushman.
Nobody can say I know Bushman.
Hey, when they see me at the road, the girl them still give me free food.
You know Bushman, sir?
Yes.
You know, for me, you know, go see, sir, you know, the weather stay, but that's why I do crick now, Monday week now. I go see, sir, I go see what they going down there. So that's why I see me have to push hard to do what I'm doing.
Yes, I.
So when they see me at seaside and them not see me, them don't know what's going. I just see what's going.
Well, you mind your business, you know.
Yes, man, thank you.
And your work.
Yes, man.
If a man is jealous, it is his problem with God, not yours. Every man and God have to settle them things.
Yes, sir.
But what you're doing here is a blessing. Come, you know how much poor people we help out last year or this year?
Right, know yourself and we're going to help same way. Because I say, said, you see, and I will put in here a square more time, you know.
Since me gone,
Yeah, man, well, you come in every time to look at it, man.
well, it go back to the ground.
I say, said,
So you get the slip them and then you plant them.
yes, you go and plant them, you rest me and take up.
And them grow big?
A big potato, them are the big red potato, them they red like a fire. Big red potato, them. So me I go through where you say me a weed, me I go through me a plant. Meantime me a weed, me a plant and they put in everything same time. That means me not turn back this up. Just put in what you put in. Me not turn back when me pass through, you understand? Cause I done already. Me not turn back when me go through, man. Done already.
Let me give my mother a call, come on, make sure she's alright. You know. Just being down here, I have to check on her.
Okay, so you know.